Replacing a worn-out entry door or patio door can have a big impact on your home's appearance, comfort, and energy efficiency, but many Rockford homeowners worry about the cost. The good news is that affordable replacement door options are widely available that deliver great performance without breaking the bank. Whether you're upgrading aging doors, improving security, or simply want a more modern look, smart choices in materials and features, along with professional installation, can help you get the best value for your investment. Why replacement doors are worth it? Before exploring budget-friendly options, it's important to understand why replacing a door matters. Improved energy efficiency. Old doors with worn seals often let air escape, leading to higher heating and cooling costs. Enhanced security. Modern doors offer stronger locks and sturdier construction than doors from decades past. Better curb appeal. A fresh door improves your home's look and can boost resale value. Smooth operation. New doors open and close easily, making everyday use more convenient. With the right choice, a replacement door is not just a cosmetic upgrade, it's a functional improvement that enhances comfort and lowers long-term costs. Smart, affordable door materials. Choosing the correct material is one of the biggest factors in cost. Vinyl doors. Budget-friendly and durable vinyl doors are among the most affordable options available, and that doesn't mean sacrificing performance. They are resistant to moisture and rot, important for Rockford's varied weather. Low maintenance, no painting or staining required. Energy efficient, especially when paired with quality weather stripping. Vinyl doors come in several styles and colors, making them a versatile choice for entry or patio doors. Steel doors. Strong and budget-conscious steel entry doors are another cost-effective option. They're typically less expensive than wood or fiberglass, yet offer robust security features. Good insulation when paired with an insulated core. Low maintenance with proper finishing. Steel doors may require occasional touch-up painting to prevent surface rust, but overall they provide strong performance for the price. Fiberglass doors. Mid-range value. While slightly more expensive than vinyl or steel, fiberglass doors deliver higher durability and better resistance to dents, warping, and weather exposure. They provide excellent long-term value and are especially appealing if you like the look of real wood without the maintenance. Custom options are often available at reasonable price points, particularly when selected without expensive decorative glass. Affordable glass options. Glass inserts can boost natural light and style, but they don't have to be costly. Clear insulated glass provides basic efficiency without premium pricing. Frosted glass adds privacy without adding much to the cost. Small glass panels instead of full light doors keep costs down while still brightening your entryway. Choosing energy-efficient glass, like double pane with low E coating, helps reduce heating and cooling costs, adding value beyond the initial price. Cost-saving features that still deliver quality. To keep replacement doors affordable, focus on features that matter most. Basic multi-point locks improve security without premium pricing. Good weather stripping seals out drafts, improving efficiency. Standard finishes. Opting for pre-finished colors rather than custom paint or stains can save money. Avoid unnecessary add-ons that don't contribute to performance. A simple, well-built door often delivers the best balance of cost and value. Professional installation matters. Even the most affordable door won't perform well if installed incorrectly. Gaps, poor alignment, and improper sealing can lead to drafts, water leaks, and reduced efficiency. Working with a local installer experienced with Rockford homes will ensure proper fit and sealing. Protect manufacturer warranties. Eliminate the risk of installation-related issues later. Professionally installed doors often last longer and perform better, making the modest installation cost a smart investment. Financing and budget planning. If cost is your main concern, many companies offer financing plans that break the price into manageable payments. Seasonal promotions and energy efficiency rebates may also help offset the upfront cost. A smart, affordable upgrade. Affordable replacement doors don't mean cutting corners, they mean making smart choices. By selecting the right material, energy-efficient features, and ensuring proper installation, Rockford homeowners can enjoy improved comfort, security, and curb appeal without overspending. Whether you're replacing a worn entry door or upgrading patio access, budget-friendly options today can lead to long-term savings and satisfaction tomorrow.